Hello everyone, my name is Vijay Prajapati. I am talking about digital fire detection and suppression and overview. Explore digital fire detection and suppression system. They offer rapid response, reduce damage and enhance safety. Discover key difference between traditional and digital method. Advanced fire detection technology. IoT enhanced sensor detect heat, smoke, gas, and flames with precision. AI-powered algorithm predict fire and cut place alarms using smart analysis. Multi-criteria detection com- combine sensor data for accurate fire detection. Example: Spectrex Safety Y Quarter 900 landing open uh, flame detector for wide area. A smart fire suppression system. Intelligent control wheels deliver fire suspensions precisely where needed. Clean agent suppressions use FM 200 and Novak 1230 safe for sensitive electronics. Water mist system effective for various fire with minimal water damage. System component and integration. Central control unit monitors fire status with real-time control communication protocol. Supports wireless and wire option like Modbus, backnet, building management integration. Seamlessly connect to the border building system. Remote monitoring. Access diagnostic anytime, anywhere for quick response. Regularly compilation and standards. NFPA standards follow codes such as NPF 72 and FPA 13 for safety, UL certification, ensure reliable product safety and performance. Local fire codes either to uh, relocation regular for compilation. Case study data center protection. Challenge protect the critical infrastructure from fire damage. Solution implement digital detection and suppression system. Result achieve repair detection, minimal downtime, and cut insurance cost. Example: which Virginia data center reduced downtime by 90% faster installation. Which benefit and ROI of digital fire prevention data-driven insights, stronger fire safety and smarter risk management, cost reduction, lower maintenance and fewer place alarms, business continuity, minimize downtime and protection of valuable assets, incident safety, protects the occupant and responders effectively.